Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at two ReadyWise survival food kits that are generally readily available, and we're going to check them out, open them up, and see what they're all about. So let's take a look. Alright, so let's check out what ReadyWise has creatively done for us this time. And I guess we'll start with the smaller one of the two, because this one has actually more information on the front of the packaging here, and it says that it is a adventure meal 3-day weekender. And it says that this has 6 entrees, 3 breakfast, 3 snacks, and it says it's conveniently packed in a 10-liter dry bag. Now, my experience with ReadyWise food, I'm going to go ahead and kind of put this little disclaimer out. I'm not a big fan of ReadyWise food because it's generally bland, which can be easily remedied just by packing some, a little spice kit, and it really helps it a lot. But I will give ReadyWise this: they are really creative. You know, they had like a get home bag type marketing, product, and then they have these, and these are in dry bags. So let's go ahead and kind of get into it and see how this is all packaged. And one of the things that I will say about this particular product is that it says that you can eat them out of the pouch. Yes, it has right here at the very top. I don't know if you can see that right there, but it says eat in pouch. And the reason why I kind of focused on that, for one, is because this one did not say that. And all the ReadyWise food that I've run across, especially in the buckets, the survival buckets, and in any kind of bag that they sell, the ReadyWise meals, if it says, oh, it has X many portions of whatever, it'll be one bag, and all the contents will be in one bag. So this one intrigued me because it just said that you can eat them out of the pouch, which, we'll find out what that means. So real quick, it's a dry bag. It's just a typical dry bag. When you get up here to the top, the cordage that it's actually used to make the handle, it's a little lightweight. The buckle is just a plastic. I really wouldn't want to rely. I mean, if you can see that, it's not the biggest. It's not the bulkiest of plastic to make this clasp here, and it does have a little hook, and it's the same. It's a plastic little hook. But yeah, dry bag, very simple. You just unroll it, and then you can just open it up. And let's see how they gave us these contents. I'm just gonna kind of lay them all out, and that's everything. So this was a 3-day weekender kit, and wow, really glad to see that ReadyWise has really stepped up their packaging game. And these are, let's see, these do have Ziploc. There is like a Ziploc. It's really low. It's right here across. It's actually under the ReadyWise. And then it does have tear notches across the top. So, and they have a gusset on the bottom. So yes, you can actually eat these out of the pouch. Now it does say this is 2.5 servings. So this is your apple cinnamon cereal, and it's 2.5 servings. So yeah, however they count the servings, and they don't on the little advertisement here, they don't count the servings, they just count the meal. Okay, so that's cool. So this is a lot of stuff. Okay, that's basically what that translates to. So we have an apple cinnamon cereal. We have another apple cinnamon cereal. So let's try to do some arranging here. Okay, we have a pasta Alfredo with, Yeah, with chicken. And I will say, I really do like their new packaging. You know, how they kind of stepped up their packaging. I really like it. And again, this is 2.5 servings. Same. All the pouches are the same. So we have a pasta Alfredo with chicken. We have another pasta Alfredo with chicken. Sorry about that. Okay, we have... Wow, okay, this is something different. Uh-oh. I think something might have a little bit of a rupture. Some sweet apples, which are they're from the Wise company. So yeah, it's just not their ReadyWise packaging. So these are sweet apple real fruit snacks. Okay, that's cool. All right. Jamming. 1 pouch, 1 serving size, 70 calories. And we do have 2 of those. So we got 2 of these packages of sweet apples. And then we have teriyaki chicken and rice. And it's 2.5 servings of teriyaki chicken and rice. And we have mac and cheese, which again is 2.5 servings of mac and cheese. And I've been looking on the back here of the packages, and all this stuff has a Best Buy 2036. Good old freeze-dried stuff. Lasts forever. Well, not really forever. It loses its taste after, you know, as it goes way out in years, it loses its taste and some nutritional value. Lasagna with Mountain Summit sausage. Okay, 2.5 servings again on that. And that's something that's different. I've never really seen lasagna with Mountain Summit sausage on a Wise. So maybe, just maybe, they're actually stepping up their menu game. I'm going to have to try some of this stuff to see if it's a little better than what I'm used to from Wise Company. We have a chocolate royal shake. Now, this is something interesting. This is a shake, okay? It's 4 servings, and this is a very thick pouch. So, and it's the same pouch. It has a Ziploc here and tear notches. So, this is going to be something that you would probably mix in your canteen or your water bottle, because it takes 16 ounces of water, milk, and you just add 4 scoops of this stuff, and it's 4 servings per this container at 4 scoops per serving. All right, so 16 scoops you're gonna get out of this, and it's the same. It's a gusseted bottom, and it's interesting because this is what ruptured. I can tell by the look of the powder. So yeah, sadly enough, my chocolate shake powder, it ruptured somewhere because there's black powder, dark chocolate looking cocoa stuff on it. So this is what took a dump in the package. So yeah, it happens. And we got some strawberry granola crunch, rolled oat granola with strawberries and non-fat milk. And again, this is 2.5 servings. And this has a 2036 date too. Okay. And then the last thing that's all crumpled up here is some chili mac. It's good old chili mac. And again, 2.5 servings, 33 grams protein. 2.5 servings of that. And then the last thing we got here is some freeze-dried strawberries and bananas. And I do like it that this is, especially the snacks, this and the apples. I really do like it that these are resealable bags. So you can open them, you can take a couple out for a snack, but you can reseal the package, no problem. So yeah, no sugar added. Yeah, man. 100% real fruit. All right, jamming. So we have 2 things of apples, strawberries, bananas, and we got 1 mac and cheese, 1 chili mac, 1 strawberry granola crunch, 2 apple cinnamon cereals, 1 teriyaki chicken and rice, 2 pasta alfredos with chicken, 1 lasagna, and 1 roll shake that suffered a breach. So yeah. I will say this, ReadyWise, I dig your new packaging, your new look. I really hope you really put as much thought into maybe listening to criticisms about the actual menu items, because apparently you really stepped up the game on the packaging, and I hate repeating that, but yeah, that's just one of the things you notice. You know, you notice the packaging and how things are marketed to you, and yeah, these things look really good. So this I will say this, for this bag, it's good, and I do like that the pouches are made to be, you know, you can eat the contents right out of the pouches. They're resealable, and this was called the Adventure Weekender 3-day. So yeah, this was good. I'm going to hey, I'm not gonna knock them. ReadyWise, you know, Wise Food. This was good. This kit was good. I'll give it a thumbs up. Now, of course, I'm going to have to reserve judgment on actually trying some of these menu items, because, you know, just to see if they are still kind of, you know, on the more bland side, because, you know, in this space of freeze-dried food, you're competing with the likes of Alpine Air, O'Meals, Mountain House, Backpacker's Pantry, and, you know, Backpacker's Pantry also, you're going to hear people talk about it being bland as well. Now this one is just called an emergency food supply, and this is actually, what is it, 8 pounds? Yes, 8 pounds, 60 servings. Yeah, this is a lot of stuff. Now it does not say on it that you can eat out of the pouch, which kind of worries me a little bit, because I'm scared that when I open this, it's just going to be big, like, bulk packages of the food. And the thing to note here, the bag is the same. It looks identical to the other dry bag. It looks, so I think this is the same bag. Yeah, I mean, constructed exactly the same. Looks like it came from the same place. So yeah, let's see how they did this one. Yeah, this is the ReadyWise. I almost called this Mountain House. Boy, that would have been bad. This is the Wise packaging that I'm kind of used to, seeing. And something in this ruptured too. I tell you what, I got the worst luck with getting ruptured bags from Wise Food. Okay, now these bags, as you can see, no tear notch, no Ziploc, just a bag. And this is 4 servings. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, this is a 10-ounce thing of cheesy macaroni, and this is 4 servings and the serving size is a quarter of the pouch. So the problem that I have, and I will always have, which is why this other kit that we just looked at is so much better. You have to portion this out yourself. So if you are trying to split this, you know, say you did have to go into this particular kit. Yeah, man, you have to portion the stuff out. And then once you open this, you got to have a way to reseal it, because there's no Ziploc. So if it's just you and you take a quarter of the pouch to make 1 serving, okay, well, now you're dealing with an open bag. So you have to deal with that. You have to bring a lot of Ziploc bags. So in here we have this 4 servings of cheesy macaroni. We got the savory stroganoff, which again these are menus that I'm used to seeing from Wise Food. And this is 4 servings. Another cheesy macaroni, same size. So we'll kind of lay these out so we can see how many of each we got. And we got some crunchy granola, which is, how many servings? 4 servings of this, 2 of these. Oh man, this is what broke. Potatoes and chicken flavored pot pie is what ruptured. Wow, it's going everywhere. Okay, and this is 4 servings, so we got 4 servings of that. We got 2 of those. So we have 2 of those. We have savory stroganoff, which again is 4 servings. And we got 2 of those. Then we got teriyaki rice, which is again 4 servings, and we should have 2 of those. Creamy pasta and vegetables. Again, 4 servings. Creamy pasta and vegetables. And the bag is... Come on now. Alright, 4 servings, creamy pasta and vegetables. Another one. So they just duplicated everything, is what it looks like. And we got brown sugar and maple multigrain cereal, and it is 4 servings per container. And we have 3 of those. So they gave us, and there are 4 servings, so we have 12 servings of the brown sugar and multigrain maple cereal. All right, so we got 12 servings of that and 8 servings of everything else. I'm not going to go back over it, but I will say this, what I've already pretty much just said. I don't like this approach. I don't like this, you know, putting having so many servings in just one bag. I would like it better. I would like it a little bit better if it was a resealable bag. And to me, this is way better than this. This, yes, this, no. So there you have it. This is what you're going to get if you find these for sale. And I think I did catch both these for sale. And of course, prices are all over the place depending upon availability and where you get them, if they're on a promotion. But if I were you, get this one. This is the one you want. This is the one that has the eat out of the pouch meals that have the new look and everything. So I would say steer clear. This is just my opinion. You know, you can do whatever you want, but I would steer clear of that one. This regular emergency food supply kit for the reasons I just laid out. I like having more bags, more ways to organize it, and like right now, this came with this one having a puncture. So this is 4 servings now of potatoes and chicken flavored pot pie. This is 4 servings that I'm not going to trust to eat because the bag's been breached. So you're pretty much chunking 4 servings of product. Whereas if it was in this one, you would have 2. It would be 2 bags. So this would be 4 bags instead of 2, it'd be 4. So you'd only be maybe chunking 1 bag, so you wouldn't lose as much. So there you have it. That's my thoughts, my opinions on these 2 ReadyWise dry bag kits. I really like the first one. Thumbs up. All right, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you hate it, give me a thumbs down. Subscribe to the channel and tell me what you think in the comments section down below. If you have bought these, if you like them, if you don't, I will give the new menus a try and see if the food has been updated to maybe taste a little better. Again, that's very subjective to the individual, but I will do it nonetheless. So yeah, and thanks for hanging out this long, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.